Hi guys, I'm Alex and today I'll show you some accessories that I have designed and 3D printed for my x220. It's a ThinkPad and it's a bit old and it has an express card here. I know that in 2020, almost 2021, a lot of people wonder what's the sense of an express card? And I'll tell you now. Imagine, for example, that you are at a party and as always you are there with your laptop and you're browsing, I don't know, on GitHub, looking for new software or on Reddit or somewhere else, and you're a bit thirsty, so you just take your glass and you drink some wine, you put it back, and you keep nerding on your favorite websites. But let's say that you are at the same party and you're also a bit hungry and you want to eat something while keep looking at your favorite website. So you just do like this. It's Italian pasta. And it works very, very well. It's so good. It's pasta and PLA. And this is the second thing that you can use and attach to the Express card. But there is another one. But let's say that you're still watching at your favorite website and you have one hand busy with your laptop and your other hand busy with something else. Well, we have an attachment also for this. And I know that I'm using it a lot if I'm going to parties with this laptop. For this video was everything. I hope that I made you laugh, and you can find the attachment if you have the same Express card for your laptop on Thinkiverse or on my blog. If you have a different kind of Express card, just send me the measurements so I can make it fit also on your laptop. I hope you liked the video and see you in the next one. Bye.